In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add countdown on iPhone widget. Apple does not include a built-in countdown widget by default, so we will use a dedicated countdown app. These apps are designed specifically to track events and provide widgets that can live right on your home screen or lock screen. To begin, download a countdown app from the App Store such as DayDrop, Outside, or Reach. Open the App Store, search for one of those names, then tap the Get button to install it. When the download finishes, you will see the app icon appear on your home screen, which means it is ready to use. Once that is installed, open the app and create a new countdown. You will usually see a button or a plus sign to create a new event as soon as the app opens. Tap that, and the app will guide you through the event setup screen. Enter an event name such as vacation so you can recognize it at a glance. Keep the name short and clear since it will often appear right on the widget. Most countdown apps also let you add emojis here, which can make it easier to tell events apart when you have several saved. Next, set the target date and time for your countdown. Use the date picker to choose the exact day, then adjust the hour and minute if the time matters for your event. Many beginners forget to change the year when planning something far in the future, so double-check that detail before you continue. Once saved, the app will automatically calculate how many days or hours are left. After that, add an optional photo or theme. This is usually found on the same screen with a button to pick an image or color style. You can choose a photo from your library that represents the event, like a beach for a vacation, or select a color theme that stands out. The image or theme you choose here will often appear in the widget, making it easier to recognize on a busy screen. When your countdown looks good inside the app, return to your home screen, swipe up, or press the home button, depending on your device, until you see your regular grid of apps again. Now touch and hold an empty area of the home screen until the apps begin to jiggle. You will notice minus icons appear on app corners and the wallpaper will slide slightly, showing that you are in edit mode. Tap the plus button in the top left corner. The widget gallery will slide up from the bottom, listing suggested widgets and a search bar at the top so you can quickly find yours. In the search bar, type the name of the countdown app you installed. When it appears in the list, tap it. You should now see previews of the different widget styles that this app offers, each showing a sample countdown. Select your preferred widget size, small, medium, or large. Small widgets show less detail but take less space, while larger ones can show more text or multiple countdowns. Tap the layout that matches how much information you want to see at a glance. Then tap Add Widget. The countdown widget will appear on your home screen, usually in the first open spot, already linked to the event you created. If the wrong event shows, many apps let you tap the widget later to switch events from within the countdown app. Drag the widget to your preferred location and tap Done in the top right corner. When you exit edit mode, the apps stop jiggling and the countdown stays in place, always updating as time passes. You have now added a live countdown widget to your iPhone home screen, so if this helped you get your event front and center, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple iPhone tips.